Notice how the question comes. It's pretty unbelievable. Okay, so therefore it's eliminated from their capacity.
First question for you, Ion, is channeling a billion entities is pretty unbelievable. Has the Guff entities explained why JW and why 2009?
All right, that's easy. That's easy. Non-physical has been around always. It's eternal. Okay, and we're not the first. You see, notice how the question comes. It's pretty unbelievable. Okay, so therefore it's eliminated from their capacity. You see, I also don't believe they went to the moon. Okay, so now that's now an impossibility. Even if they send you there. No, I'm not in the moon. So the belief system that the hybrid of the mind that controls it is what opens up the ability and capacity to have indeed new experiences. Isn't that how your technology bodies have been increased?
Right.
I don't believe that you can talk into your hand and people across the waters can hear what you say. That's pretty unbelievable to me. But then yet they pick up their cell phone and dial it. So therefore, by default, they have no choice but to accept it as a reality, whether or not they have a cell phone or not.
Got it. Okay.
It's